What up, y'all? We're gonna try this a different, oh, my door. We're gonna try this a different way today. So today's video, I'm just trying to do a quick review. First of all, when I've been using the Tropical Roots locking gel, I've noticed that there have been times where after I wash my hair, I can still see the buildup in my locks from this gel. Funny enough, I actually found this in Sephora when I was working. I just so happened to notice that there was a brand of African hair care products, and I'm like, what? Sephora down for the brown? Like in the hair sense? So that was cool. It's called Aethiopika, like Ethiopia, I guess. Aethiopika Hydrate and Twist Butter. And it says it's for braids and twists and curls and locks. I used this on the left side of my hair, and then I used the Tropical Roots on the right side of my hair. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a shower, cause it's been a week, and I already saw the dandruff. Cause I had it styled in those two cornrows, and so obviously scalp was getting dry, flakes was coming, it was snowing in July, you know. I'm gonna shower, and I'm gonna come back, and I'm gonna show you guys my roots to see which one held up the best, if my roots are still more maintained with this side than this side, and if it is, then we about to switch products and this going in the trash, or if it's the same, then I don't know. Because the thing is that this was $4.99 at Sam's, okay? This is $4.99. The Aethiopika, this stuff was $18 at Sephora. Okay, y'all. So I just got done washing my hair, and I have some thoughts. First of all, although my hair is still there, the tightness that I had in my roots is gone. And it's gone on both sides, you know, so regardless of which product I use, that's just gonna happen. I will say though, in terms of buildup, you can see that there is some buildup from the right side, which was the Tropical Roots. This side, where we had the Aethiopika, you can see where it was just retwisted the roots. Don't mind that stuff, that's from the Tropical Roots before, but this, there's not much there. Okay, so I'm kind of indecisive right now. I'm gonna need to look into this further. They both didn't really hold up at all. Actually, no, yeah, the roots are about the same. Actually, no. The roots on the Tropical Roots are actually better. Interesting. So, well, here it is. I was wanting for the Aethiopika. Okay, so look at this. Look at this. Okay, you see how the roots? Not that bad. Not that bad. There's like maybe about like a little bit of thing, right? But then the other side, watch this. See, there's that, but then there's that. There is that. There is that. You see how bigger the separation is that the roots are for those locks? So it's not holding them together as much as the Tropical Roots is. Well, now we know which one is the winner. So I guess it's Tropical Roots then. I mean, I guess we're gonna have to keep, but this is the thing. It was $18 to buy this, right? So I'm gonna use it. Maybe I'll use it in conjunction because this one has, what does it have? It has olive oil, mango butter, rice oil, soy, and that's it. But it's phthalate free. And then this one, the Tropical Roots, it's got water, AMP acrylates, aloe methacrylate, copolymers, glycerin, aminomethyl, propanol, acrylates, aquacrylic, copolymer, DMDM, hydration, panthenol, vitamin B12, and fragrance. So it's like either you put less chemicals in your hair and you get a retwist that doesn't last long, or you put more chemicals in your hair and you get a retwist that lasts a while, but you're also putting harmful stuff into your scalp, which is nice to your brain, y'all. Like, come on. So I guess in terms of price, if you're looking for something that just works, I would go with Tropical Roots. If you're looking for something that's healthier for your body and your skin, I would go with the Aethiopika. So that's my final verdict. If it's for cost, go with the locking gel. If you want something that works really well, go with that. But if you're looking for something that's healthier for your skin, go with the other one. Those are my thoughts on that. Y'all, this is an update. I know what I said just now, but this is about 2 weeks later from when I filmed the original content. I used the Aethiopika Twist Butter for my locks. That was good, but what I've noticed is through the length of my locks, I'm finding buildup. And I only use the Aethiopika on my roots, right? I'm retwisting my hair right now. So, where would this buildup come from? Perhaps the shit that I was using, the Tropical Roots Locking Gel. Like, do you see this? Do you see this? This should not be in your hair. This should not be in your hair. This is gross, is what this is. No. Like, do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? This is not good. This is where I put the Aethiopika just now. You see that? Nice and shiny, right? And then, as I was twisting, you see where this buildup from the Tropical Roots is? Do you see this? They got y'all. They are getting people on this. This is horrible. I know I said that, you know, do you want to spend $18 on some locking twist gel? But if $18 means that you don't have buildup in your locks, I really would spend the extra money, honestly, because this is gross. Let me just show y'all. Hold on one second. I'm gonna put this on my hand so y'all can see this. Look at this. Do you see that? That should not be in your locks. All that buildup should not be there. That is gross. Are you kidding me? No. Ooh, that's horrible. Oh Lord, this is atrocious. This is a catastrophe. This is a disaster. So I'm probably gonna need to do a deep cleanse. I should do one today, but I don't have the time. So probably when I wash my hair, or not when I wash it, but when I do a retwist, I will definitely do an apple cider vinegar rinse with some like really hot water to break down all of this buildup with some apple cider vinegar, some lemon juice, some baking soda, all of the stuff, because this is ridiculous. Actually, you can see this lock. You see that? No. Don't do this. Do not do this. This is atrocious, yeah. I take back everything I said about that other stuff. $5? Sure, it's cheap on your wallet, but it is harsh on your hair. It's a no from me. It's a no! Don't do it. So I hate to be dramatic about this, but this stuff is gonna go in the trash. We're gonna dump this out, and you going in there, sir. Like, bye. Okay, y'all, that's about it as far as the update on this. I know this video is kind of weird and truncated between what I did originally 2 weeks ago and the results of what I used now and how it turned out. So, I was gonna say take it with a grain of salt, but I've tested it out now, and the Tropical Roots definitely gives you buildup, which is something you do not want, especially if your locks are thick. It makes it harder to get out, so you definitely don't want to put this into your locks and your hair. I would recommend the Aethiopika because this stuff right here at least does not give you buildup as far as I know right now. I used that stuff 2 weeks ago on my roots. There's no buildup in my roots, but the rest of my hair where I've been using Tropical Roots, there is buildup. So we can deduce that something right here, and that Tropical Roots is probably the culprit. So I'm not using that anymore. You saw it, no, no, gone, trash, new. Ooh, I hope they okay. Well, this may not be New York City, but we get the sirens every now and then too. So with that all being said, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope you like it if you liked it. If you have any questions about any other type of lock maintenance products, or any other products that you guys want me to try to see how well they work on locks, let me know in the comment section below. Hit me up on any other type of social media like Instagram or Snapchat, where I post a lot more regularly, and communication is easier on there if you would like, if you need to do that. And then also do not forget to subscribe. Although I'm not posting every Monday, I am posting Monday whenever I feel like it, because I'm in school right now. I'm in grad school. First week has gone by pretty well. Just with everything else, I'm extremely exhausted right now, but it's okay. We're on a goal to get the degree, and that's the plan, so we're gonna do it. Yeah, so with all that being said, the last video is up there. There's a playlist of videos right there. And of course, click on that subscribe icon if you have not already. And I will see y'all when I see y'all. Who knows when that'll be, but peace and keep it locked, y'all. Don't use that tropical roots. Don't do it!